Hi, welcome back to Vedic Mathematics. I'm your Dr. Vasu. We are going to see the fastest method to get the square of any number, even 1 to 10,000 or even more, right? It may have any number of digits, 2, 3, 4, 5, any number. Let's see how it is. So before proceeding further, let's just see some basic mathematical principle behind it. Suppose I want the square of a, that is a square. So we'll split this into, I take some number b square, I subtract b square and add it. That means we are not going to change the value of a square. A square remains same, minus and plus cancels and a square is same. For this a square and b square, a square minus b square, let's split into a plus b into a minus b. Okay, we know that it's a very simple formula, and a plus b into a minus b gives a square minus b square plus b square. Okay, now we are going to apply this rule and simplify the multiplication of the numbers, and basically it's very much useful for the squaring of any number. Let's see how it is. Suppose let's take a very simple example, 17 square. We'll take this into, we make it round. That is, now the nearest number is 20 for 17. The difference is 3. So let's make it 17 plus 3 and 17 minus 3. Okay, plus a plus b minus b. That means we are not going, plus b square is being added here. That means we are not going to change the value, but for our convenience, we split the number like this. So 17 plus 3 becomes 20, 17 minus 3, 14, plus 3 square, of course, there. So 20 into 14 calculating is very simple and we can easily do it. Okay, so this 20 into 14 gives 280 plus 9. That means 289 is the answer. So you see how simple it is to get the square of a number. Okay, let's try to implement this and get the other values also. So let's take another example, 46 square. So that is the nearest whole number is 50. So the difference is 4. That's why we have taken 4 here. 46 plus 4, 46 minus 4. So a plus b into a minus b plus b square. So 50, this becomes 50, this becomes 42 plus 4 square. It's very easy to multiply 42 with 5. Of course, 0 is there. We put 0 and we multiply this 42 with 5. So very simple. We get 210. So 2100 plus 16. So the answer is 2116. You see how simple it is. In a very fast manner, we can get the square of this complex number even. Another example, it appears to be a very big number, right? 89 square. Let's see how it is. The next nearest number is 90. So the difference is 1. So b value becomes 1. Plus 1 minus 1. Multiplying, you get this 90 into 88. 89 minus 188 plus 1 square. So multiply this 88 with the 90. Multiplying is very easy. So you get 0 is there and 88 into 9 gives 792 plus 1. So the answer is 7921. Very simple. Next, another example, 86. So the nearest whole number is 90. So the difference is 4. So b value is taken as 4 and implemented here. This is 90, 82 plus 4 square, that is 16. So 82 into 9 gives 738. 0 is there plus 16. So 7396 is the answer. It appears very simple, and let's make it still further. You can even use another one also, because it is, suppose if you feel that it is nearer to 100, right? We can even consider this also. 86 plus 14, b value is taken 14 here. So 86 plus 14, 86 minus 14 and plus 14 square. So this becomes 100 and this becomes 72. 14 square, we know that 196. So 72 into 100, very simple. 7200 plus 196. So the answer is 7396. So it depends on you whether you feel this is easy. You can because 4 square, getting 4 square is very easy. So you can do this, or to avoid this multiplication with 9 even, we can go for this. Okay, so it's up to you whether you use which number which is nearer to this is easy. Okay, suppose if you want to make 8 multiplication with 8 here, so you do it minus 6. You take 80 minus 6 plus 6. Then you will get 8 multiplication, right? 86 minus 6 means you get 80. So it will be easy for you to multiply with 8. Whatever the way you feel convenient, you can choose, right? Now, next, let's take a 3-digit number, 123. So this is 3 is the nearest number. That is, I feel that nearest whole number is 120. So minus 3 plus 3 here. So this becomes 126, right? And 120 plus 3 square, 9. So multiply this with 12 is easy, right? So multiply this with 126 into 120 gives this much and plus 9. So the answer is 15129. So see how simple and how fast you can do it. Next, take another number, 7 appears very big. All the big numbers, big digits are there. But even then, the nearest is 800. You can plus 13. Instead of taking it as 790, you make it 800. Okay, so that becomes very easy for us to get multiply with 8. So this is 7 minus 13 gives 774 and plus 13 square, of course. So multiply this with 8. It's easy. You get this number 619200 and 169. So the answer is very simple. 619369. 2 plus 1 here. So 369. Like this, you can even implement with a 4-digit number also. 8976 square. So it is next nearest whole number is 9, right? 9000. So plus 24 is taken. That's why plus 24 makes this 9000. So 9000. This is minus 24. So 9000 into 8952. 76 minus 24 52. So plus 24 square. We know that 576. So multiply this with 9 and get 3 zeros. You get this value plus 576. You can just add this 3 in 3 zeros places. You get 576. So the answer is very simple. So like this, you can get the multiplication of any numbers, right? Square of any number with any number of digits. In the next video, we'll meet with another Vedic mathematics principle. Hope you enjoyed this principle, this technique very much, and you understood it. If you have any great doubts, please do comment. Do subscribe the channel, like, share. Thank you.